Hello friends, first of all I would like to congratulate both the winners of the two Lok Sabha seats of Manipur. This time I have to say India Party is really doing well. I just want to share a small message to both the winners of Manipur Lok Sabha election that people of Manipur voted you for change, to bring the real tangible change in this violence-hit state of India. People trust you that you can make a real difference by ending this year-long war in this lovely, beautiful state of Manipur. And I would like to draw your kind attention on few points. First is that our state Manipur lies on the disaster-prone area specially impacted by the global climate crisis. And women and children are the first line of victims on this crisis. As you know, MLAs and MPs are not for thika. You are policy makers of the country, of our country. You can strictly draft a policy to end the massive deforestation in the hills of India by enacting a law in the parliament. This is the main cause of flash floods, droughts, water scarcity in the valley region of the country. Secondly, poverty rate is very high in Manipur. We need special scheme to empower those families by giving proper education and jobs to their children. Only education can eradicate poverty. We also need to review free food policies, safe drinking water and sanitation to every single household, etc. With transparency and accountability. Thirdly, victims of Manipur violence who was evicted in Charanchandpur and also people currently staying in various relief camps wanted proper compensation for the loss of their properties. It can be either their houses, cars, scooters or tractors that were burned down in the ongoing clash between the Meithais and the Kukis. You too must urge the central leaders to release adequate funds as well as the proper compensation for those victims' families as soon as possible. And also still many victims of recent hailstorm and massive floods in Manipur are not getting their deserved relief material. We need special package from the central government in terms of thousands of crores as emergency relief package. You both please urge the government of India on behalf of the people of Manipur as our elected leader. These are the top 3 priorities issues for now for our burning state Manipur. People are looking forward to see your actions. Thank you.